Well, it's a very exciting moment. अभी खुशहाल का अच्छी दौरान पड़ा कि King Momo is now going to be from Margam for this year. It was a tough contest. Contest of the tough was 6 contestants, all were equally good. And heads off to the Goa Tourism Department because the process of selection has been very transparent and very tough. In the sense that they have more than a 20-member committee, representatives of all over Goa, all the municipalities, all the places where the floats are going to be held, and even villages. And these guys are senior guys. You look at them, you get nervous in the first place because they are all well-known factors, they are all well-known individuals who have been in Carnival over the years. So you get nervous looking at them. It's easy to face a crowd of lakhs of people in the float, but not this committee because they scrutinize properly. So out of the 6 contestants, there was a tie between me and Etienne Brazilio from Belgium. So ultimately, twice it went to a tiebreaker and I was declared the winner. So I'm very happy and excited about it. And this year we are trying to make a very inclusive carnival of families, of tourism, everything inclusive. Go back to the roots and do something which is not done before. Even the floats, the bar has been raised by the tourism department. They're doing a fantastic job. The process is still on. It's quite early, but there will be more things coming out. But I look forward to one of the best carnivals in Goa in 2026.